Number two, this graph will be proportional. All right, here's why. It's asked if the number of text messages sent or received by boys is proportional to the number of texts sent or received by girls. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is make sure the graph is boys versus girls. Now, it does not really matter which axis is which. If you had girls on the x and boys on the y-axis, that's fine. All right, but we really need is a graph of boys to girls. Okay, so you can see in this graph here, if boys send 5 text messages, girls will send 7. And I know this is a sketch, so the first question you guys had was, is it actually going to be a straight line? Well, it's a little bit easier to tell in this graph that did a very good job lining it up. 5 and 7, 10 and 14, this is going to make a straight line. All right, so the only other question then, if this is going to be proportional, we have to ask ourselves, will it connect to the origin? Some of you guys had questions about that. Well, let's think about it this way. If we were to create a table, if we were going to create other values, if the boys sent 0 text messages, if the boys sent 0 text messages right here, how many text messages would the girls send? If the boys aren't going to send anything, the girls aren't going to receive anything, right? So 0, 0 would be a point on the graph. So yes, it is a straight line, and 0, 0 will work for the relationship. All right, it is a straight line. It will go through the origin. 0, 0 is a valid ordered pair.